Hello everyone. Today's story is Thomas Edison's School Note. The story is like this. When Thomas was a little boy, one day he came home with a note from his school. He gave it to his mother and asked her to read it. His mother opened the note. Tears filled her eyes, and she read aloud, "Your son is a genius. This school is too small for him, and we don't have enough teachers to train him. Please teach him yourself." Years passed. Thomas became one of the greatest inventors in history. After his mother's death, Thomas one day found the same old folded note in a drawer. But the note did not say what his mother had told him. It actually read, "Your son is mentally ill. We can't let him attend our school anymore." Thomas cried for hours and then wrote in his diary, Thomas Alva Edison was a mentally ill child whose mother's faith turned him into a genius. This is the end, and the moral is sometimes all we need is someone who believes in us. Never underestimate the power of encouragement. It can change the world.